Cam Fam.
Hey,
We're off to
Singapore.
Singapore. Please make sure you're already subscribed and you
Click on that bell button so you'll be always notified when travel vlogs and other vlogs like this come out.
correct. So we're currently at a restaurant here at the airport, just having a quick lunch first before boarding. And as you can see, Sienna is right there eating with Yaye. She's BLW, as you guys know, but we're out and about, so I'd rather that she be fed already, so we're fast. And it's not as messy. We're just waiting for our boarding. Hopefully everything goes well. It's always a hectic time during flight days. I always feel like we have a gazillion things with us. Like I feel like we're traveling with an entire house. But with Yaya, this is our first international trip with Yaye, so maybe it'll be less stressful for Yoni and I. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
At least the start to the trip has been exceptional this time. We are not running to make to the cutoff. We are not running to make to the gate. We don't have too much stuff.
We don't have a cot with us, so yeah.
It's been pretty chill.
It's been pretty chill so
For
far.
now.
Yeah. But I feel like it would have been harder if it wasn't Singapore. But Singapore is just so easy now. Like there's not a lot of requirements for you to go. We only had to do like an antigen swab test before flying out.
Done by a clinic or a doctor, not at home.
Yeah, not at home. So you need a certificate for that, which is pretty easy because it's just antigen anyways and it's super duper fast. And then they also already removed the requirement to have like a COVID insurance with you. So that's already optional. And then you just had to do like arrival card health declaration form for Singapore. You have to do it maximum of 3 days before your flight. Giving all our boarding passes
To everyone.
to the flight attendants. Hello. Oh no, there is a flight attendant.
Excuse me, ma'am. What is the problem?
She wants to walk.
What seems to be the problem, ma'am?
Okay, bye. Oh, go with the nice woman. You can't walk, my love.
Hi, mama. Say mama. Mama. Say dada. Dada. What does the lion say? What does the cow say? Where's Nala? Nala. Nala. Mama. Dada.
The girls have landed in Singapore, and I'm using my cuckoo bag for the first time outside of the Philippines, I mean. And it's so handy because everyone's hands are full. So my bag is just here because you got a trolley sleeve. And this is what I'm talking about. Like if you don't have a hat, you can use your hat clip to keep your straps in place.
How may I help you?
Are you okay in that situation? Can you still breathe?
This is not good even for Bagunda.
Can you move?
This is.
Can you move your head or is it the
No,
only
I cannot
position?
because it's.
Hubs, I'm on the other side, Hubs.
I can, but I have to go like this. Inapag, what's our room number?
9-story.
What's the number?
9, say 9.
9. Okay, lead the way.
Enter. Oh, how did they know? Popsies, thank you. Was it you?
Hey.
Wow. How did they move it so quickly?
Exact, the girl who just came out, I was like, good job.
Okay, so now that we've settled in, I'm gonna do a room tour. So we've got our closet here. We've got our bathroom over here. The nice tub, which is why we didn't bring Sienna's tub anymore. Even though there's a tub, there's also already a shower. And then we've got a nice mirror situation here. We've got a hidden Yaya and Sienna here. We also have a hidden Facundo. So this is the room. I got really surprised. It's my sneaky hubs. Oh my gosh. Meh. So we've got a nice view here. Super nice. I'm gonna show you guys. We've got a balcony actually. And then we actually requested for a connecting room, which they were easily able to do for us. So it's exactly the same kind of room. So this is where Yeye is going to be staying in Sienna, except it's just a twin bed setup. So it's really, really nice and really spacious, much more spacious than what I saw online or what I expected from looking online. Grabe, the rooms are so nice, which I am pleasantly surprised with because now we prepared everything super last minute. And buti na lang talaga, there's Klook, and Klook now offers hotel stays as well and accommodations. They're not just experiences or tours, but they now actually also offer accommodations, which makes your trip so convenient because then you could book everything just on the Klook platform. For us, I really found it so convenient because now we're so last minute na, I didn't really have time to go through all these different lists of hotels with Klook. It was already like a really nice list of hotels. It was very convenient for me. All the information I needed was there. It was presented so nicely. The interface is very user-friendly. So just like I booked our rooms literally just yesterday. And look at how beautiful! And although I just booked our rooms yesterday, Yoni also found the time to make this really sweet surprise. And although we also just requested for connecting rooms, upon check-in, they were also very quickly able to move.
Yeah, I was
surprise.
decorating at the front desk that should I ask if you were able to fix it already, but then we were on the floor already. I saw someone coming out from the room. I was like, good job.
Thanks, Hubsy.
Welcome.
Oh, I still have my mask on. Oof. Oh. Go na, mommy. Put you to sleep. Say good night, Kam. Night kiss, night kiss. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Sienna is now put to sleep, and now I am also going to be put. No, just kidding. I am now going to work while Yoni meets up with his best friend because his best friend is actually based here. So yeah, I'm gonna be just ordering room service while working and then hit the sack. So thank you so much for joining us once again. On our next vlog, we'll be in Singapore going around with Sienna Bug. See you guys then.